Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve your resume using Claude's ATS-friendly resume feature. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser opens, click on the search bar and type Claude ATS-friendly resume. Then press enter. From the search results, click on the first Claude website to open it. Once you're on the website, sign into your Claude account if you're not already logged in. Now, upload your existing resume by clicking the Upload button and selecting your resume file from your computer. After your resume is uploaded, ask Claude to improve your resume and make it ATS-friendly based on your preferences, target job role, or industry. Claude will analyze your resume and generate an improved version with better formatting. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more AI and career tutorials.